Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Guys, some of you are aspiring to publish your research outputs in scientific journals. Perhaps because you would like to be promoted in your job. That's the reason. Or if you have other reasons, it will remains to be seen. In order to realize your expectation in publishing your paper, please watch this video on simple tips in making a research publication successful from the very start to the end. And if you like the video, kindly share it to your classmates and friends. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Okay, so let us start now. Simple tips in making a research publication successful. Scientific research publication, this is the sharing of a research output to scientific community, and this is in the form of journals. Tips number one, search for international science information, ISI, Scopus, Elsevier, Commission on Higher Education, CHED, or DepEd, accredited or other reputable journals. You please consider also the ranking of the journals from rank 1 to 100, and this is quartile 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is from rank 1 to 100. Tip number 2. Before you publish, find out whether the journal is in the Bell's list of predatory journals. I am pretty sure that you are aware of these predatory journals. Tip number 3 is study the scope of the journal if it match with your paper. So you need to study it, the coverage of their publication. If it is education, all about education, and your paper is on education, you submit it because I am pretty sure that it is within the scope of the journal. Tip number 4, familiarize yourself with the following aspects of the journal which can be accessed once you open it. Author's guidelines. This is the instruction to the author on the format and the style in writing the paper. And you must abide with their guidelines in order that your paper will be accepted. Submission. This pertains to the procedure in submitting the paper. This is the instruction of the journal to the researchers on how the researcher or the writer submits their papers. Publication process. This is the process of publishing the paper. There are steps in publishing the paper. You should know this. Then publication fee. This is the payment required by the journal. And of course, you need to pay once there's a go signal to pay to the journal. However, there are some journals that have no publication fee. Okay, and the last is indexing partners. These are the companies or organizations responsible in increasing the visibility of your papers or articles. So they are the one responsible on that. Tip number 5, if possible, apply double or triple citations. There are some instances wherein journals are or informations of the journals are similars, or there are similarities in terms of the informations or even findings, meaning the articles ideas are similar, and you will put it into uh, one or two statement, and what you will do is to cite the authors of the journal articles. That's the reason why we have this double or triple or more citations. Cite it in um, in text and in reference section. Don't tip number 6. Don't copy and paste information in your paper. Instead, borrow ideas and paraphrase. If it cannot be avoided that you copy the information, apply the direct quotation. But I suggest to paraphrase ideas, particularly if you will be publishing your paper in printed journals. Ensure, tip number 7, ensure the grammatical correctness of your paper or article. Submit your paper for grammar editing, because it might result, or if it will not be submitted, there are plenty of errors. It might result to rejection by the journal organizer. And tip number 8, observe ethical standards in research. There are so many standards in research. One is avoid plagiarism. So before you will submit your paper, be sure that it undergone plagiarism test. There are so many uh, plagiarism software, or there are so many companies responsible in doing plagiarism check in order to iron out those informations you plagiarized. You were able to copy from authors without acknowledging them in text and in reference citation. And that's or these are the simple tips in making a research publication successful. Thank you very much, and God bless. Keep safe, everyone.